Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a way you can play with tying your X together through rolling. Basically, I'm going to show you how to do a rolling scorpion to an elevated roll. It's just fun, but it really, well, if you spend any time doing it, it'll tie you together, make you feel good, it's good for your body. And did I say it was fun? Yeah, I think I did. So it looks like this. So you're going to lie on your belly, put your hands by your side, and you're going to bend. Let's say we'll take our right leg, and we're going to reach behind us like a scorpion roll, but as we reach, we're going to push ourselves up. So we're going to try to get as seamless as we can, and we're going to push ourselves up to, how you doing? Hanging out on the beach. And then from here, we're going to pick ourselves up, reach back behind us, come around, come back to hanging out on the beach, hey. And then we're going to dive down from here, back to that push-up / laying on your belly position, whatever it is. And then we're going to go with the left leg, all right? So we're going to reach, push ourselves up, hey, come around, dive back down again. So at speed, it kind of goes like this. And I gotta tell you, this does feel quite amazing. So that's it. It's the kind of like a scorpion roll to an elevated roll. And you just work it from side to side, back and forth. Makes you feel good all through here, Give that a shot. It does feel good. It's great for your vestibular system. It's good for your spine. It's good for your glutes and your hamstrings, good for your shoulders. It's good for you, and that's the point. All right, guys, I am Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.